Life is unpredictable, and securing your family's future is more important than ever. Are you ready to accumulate wealth for your loved ones? Imagine providing your children with the education they deserve, ensuring their dreams come true. Picture a retirement filled with joy and peace, free from financial worries. Join our exclusive online workshop, Financial Planning and Investment Using AI, and learn how to accumulate wealth for those who matter most. In this workshop, you'll discover the essential role of insurance in protecting your family, proven saving techniques to create a financial cushion, strategies to fund your children's education and life goals, effective investment methods in mutual funds, ETFs, and the stock market, how to harness the power of AI to make smarter financial decisions. Whether you're a parent, a future retiree, or anyone looking to secure their financial future, this workshop is designed for you. Don't wait until it's too late. Join us now. Reserve your spot now and take control of your financial future for the sake of your loved ones. Start building wealth for your family today. Click the link to register.